Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm reviewing the Actora Thyroid Drops, a supplement that claims to support metabolism, energy, and reduce bloat, especially for people who suspect sluggish thyroid function. Actora says these drops help balance thyroid hormones using natural ingredients like iodine, ashwagandha, and L-tyrosine. It claims to boost metabolism, improve mood, and reduce fatigue and puffiness. I tried it for about 3 weeks. I took the drops under my tongue every morning as directed. The first few days I didn't feel much, but by the second week, I noticed slight improvements in alertness and less bloating as well. My energy was more consistent and I didn't get that mid-afternoon crash like I always do. However, it is subtle. It doesn't have that dramatic transformation, but it's more of a small boost than a big change. And then I also appreciated that it didn't cause jitters or stomach upset. But there are just a bit of flaws that I found. There are no transparent dosage amounts. The results take time and are mild. And the taste is slightly bitter. But I think all of those are worth it because other vitamins and minerals also have the same flaws. And I think it's pretty normal. So if your thyroid is normal and just want an energy lift, this isn't magic. But for gentle support, it is decent. Is it helpful? Yes. Is it a game changer? Not really. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.